Another day and another shortcuts in ArchiCAD this time. And today I would like to mention about our shortcuts which allow us to work in or to show something in 3D window. Let's jump to ArchiCAD and let's check what is going on with this F4. I hear many times from some people that when I'm working in 3D, my computer would start to work slowly and thinking too long, and I'm waiting for reaction of my computer too long to work in 3D. And F4 shortcut allow us to work faster in 3 dimension. How it looks like. For example, I have something here. It's very simple. 5 walls, 1 slab and 4 objects. If we are going to 3D, we can see everything what we have in our project already in 3 dimension. It's simply, my computer, it's not bad, so it works quite smooth here. But sometimes when our project has a lot of elements, we start to really ArchiCAD is slow down and to work in 3 dimensions, and to turn around takes really time and it's getting annoying. It's the way it works faster. Mostly when we are still working in 3 dimension, we don't need to see all our project. I would like to see really specific element or specific area and work with this specific area. I don't need to see million stories which are above or below me. And how to do this? Just, for example, I would like to work only with this one single room in ArchiCAD in 3 dimension to see only this room. We have Mark tool. I just draw something like that. Draw the area which I would like to select, the area which I would like to see in 3 dimension, and then just click F4. You need to be careful with this F4 because sometimes, but this depends on the computer or your system is working. Sometimes it's not just F4, it's Fn plus F4. But I think you know the best how you're working with F4, F2, F3 on your computer in your system. If you're using single F4 will be working in ArchiCAD. If you need to click, hold Fn plus click F4, the same will be working here. But in this way, we just show only this area which is select here in the on my plan. It's the same with just select tool with the arrow. If I will just click on this one object and click F4, I will see only this one single object. If again I would like to see everything in 3 dimension, I need to click one more time F4 and then we can see everything. See you tomorrow at the same time. Tomorrow we are talking about shortcuts in Vectorworks, day after tomorrow shortcuts in ArchiCAD, and remember to download your own list of shortcuts from my website. Just go to www.norma.training and then on the top of the screen of the website you can see where you can download the shortcuts. See you tomorrow at the same time.